I heard that you guys found the hidden giveaway. We're gonna be doing the drawing soon. Also, we're gonna do something unusual in what we don't do usually. We're gonna make a drum roll snack. So basically it's good for after school, weekends, and it's actually pretty good. I think you guys will like it. What you're gonna need is some goat cheese, some sliced ham, and some grapes, and some pecans, and toothpicks, and an edible flour. Make sure it's edible, or it won't work. And thyme. You can usually get it from your garden or the grocery store. So, are you guys ready to make this healthy snack? Because I sure am. Let's get started. First, you're gonna cut grapes in small pieces. That's what it should look like. Get your grapes and then put them in. Your goat cheese, of course. Then put in your pecans. And then mix it. And then don't forget the thyme. And then mix it really, really well. Looks delicious. Grab your slice of ham and then put that deliciousness in. And then roll it. And then take one of your toothpicks and put it in. It looks so delicious. I could just shove it all in my mouth. You can also have it with your favorite side of crackers. Yum. Oh, and don't forget your edible flour. It's all about presentation. Oh my gosh, this looks so delicious, right guys? Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys like my first cooking video, and I think I'm gonna eat this basically every day. It's like, it looks so yummy. Chomp, chomp, chomp. So I just wanna say, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell and tell everyone and share, and just have fun watching the baybel. Don't forget to find my hidden giveaway in my squishy video. You still have time. Wish you luck. I am so excited to eat this. Me and baby are gonna probably eat this like twice a week. Easy peasy.